Ever gone on a date that felt like a scene from Saw? Yeah, we've all been there. Dating can be a minefield, and sometimes you stumble upon a toxic trap disguised as a bombshell. But fear not, gentlemen, because your friendly neighborhood dating guru is here to save the day. Stick around to make sure you're not dating a ticking time bomb. We're about to dive deep into the 10 red flags that scream toxic louder than a bachelorette party in Vegas. First up, let's talk about exes. Everyone's got baggage, right? But if her entire luggage carousel is filled with exes, she relentlessly trashes. That's a red flag bigger than China. Think about it. If she's constantly bad-mouthing her past partners, what's to say you won't be the next target of her verbal venom? Remember, gentlemen, a woman who constantly demonizes her exes might just be the demon in disguise. Keep your ears open and your escape route clear. Let's face it, a little jealousy can be kinda cute. But if she's throwing a tantrum because you glanced at the waitress, you've got a full-blown green-eyed monster on your hands. We're talking possessive, controlling, stalker-level jealousy. This kind of toxic behavior is a recipe for disaster, my friends. A healthy relationship is built on trust, not constant suspicion and interrogation. Run, Forrest, run! Boundaries are like the personal space bubble we all need, and a woman who doesn't respect them is like a bull in a china shop. Does she constantly check your phone, interrogate you about your friends, dictate your every move? That's not love, my friend. That's a prison sentence with a very demanding warden. Remember, a healthy relationship requires mutual respect and understanding of personal boundaries. If she can't handle that, it's time to show her the door. Some people just can't live without a daily dose of drama, and if your girl thrives on chaos, you're in for a wild ride. We're talking constant fights, manufactured arguments, and enough emotional turmoil to make a Shakespearean tragedy look tame. This kind of negativity can drain you faster than a marathon in Death Valley. Life's too short for constant drama, gentlemen. Find a woman who brings peace and positivity, not a hurricane of chaos. We all have moments of feeling like the world is against us, but if she's constantly playing the victim, you might be dating a walking sob story. Everything is someone else's fault, and she's always the innocent lamb caught in the crossfire. This kind of mentality is exhausting and prevents any real growth or accountability. Remember, a healthy relationship requires both partners to take responsibility for their actions and emotions. If she can't do that, it's time to bail. Beware the woman who wields guilt and emotional manipulation like a Jedi master with a lightsaber. She'll twist your words, play on your emotions, and make you feel like the villain even when you're the victim. This kind of manipulation is insidious and can leave you feeling drained and confused. Remember, a healthy relationship is built on honesty and open communication, not sneaky tactics and mind games. If you spot a master manipulator, it's time to cut the strings and run. They say friends are the family you choose. So if your girl has a history of short-lived friendships or no close friends at all, that's a major red flag. It could be a sign of her inability to form healthy, lasting bonds or a tendency to push people away. Pay attention to her interactions with others and ask yourself why she seems to lack long-term friendships. Remember, birds of a feather flock together, and if she's flying solo, there might be a good reason why. We all crave attention sometimes, but if your girl needs a constant spotlight and thrives on drama to get it, you've got a problem. This type of behavior stems from insecurity and a need for validation, often leading to over-the-top antics and a constant need to be the center of attention. Remember, a confident and secure woman doesn't need to constantly seek validation from others. If she's always craving the spotlight, it might be time to step out of her show. A relationship is a two-way street. And if your girl consistently ignores or dismisses your feelings, it's a sign of disrespect and a lack of empathy. She might shut down your attempts to communicate, belittle your emotions, or simply not care about how her actions affect you. This type of behavior is toxic and can leave you feeling unheard and unimportant. Remember, a healthy relationship requires both partners to acknowledge and respect each other's feelings. If she can't do that, it's time to move on. Control freaks come in all shapes and sizes, but they all share one common trait: the need to control everything and everyone around them. If your girl tries to dictate your every move, isolate you from friends and family, or micromanage every aspect of your life, you're dealing with a control freak. This type of behavior is suffocating and can quickly turn your life into a living hell. Remember, a healthy relationship is built on trust and mutual respect, not control and manipulation. If she can't let go of the reins, it's time to gallop out of there. Congratulations, gentlemen, you've survived the Thunderdome of dating. Now that you know the signs, stay smart, stay single, or find someone worth your time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to save a buddy from a toxic trap. Remember, life's too short to waste on drama queens, control freaks, and emotional vampires. Go forth and find a woman who brings joy, laughter, and mutual respect into your life. You deserve it.